internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii box unboxing video for you guys. Super cute staycation. This is really fitting because I am filming this currently in lockdown in Melbourne. And I had to actually cancel a holiday that I had planned that was in regional Victoria. We can't go anymore, so sadly appropriate. But anyways, first up is candy. I mean, I always love candy. They're so cute. They're like little bottles in those vending machines you see in Japan. Cider, melon, and cola. So those are the different flavors. I mean, it wouldn't be one without a plushie. Although this plushie it's so adorable, but it's not like cartoony cute. It's just actually really cute. And it's got a bit of like rice or like, yeah, it feels like it's got like rice or beans inside of it. So it's much more palatable. And then we have, oh my gosh, such cute washi tape from the Sanix line. Let me open this so you can have a better look at it. There we go. Can you guys see how, oops, upside down. So cute. You have, it looks like Jinbin whale, but so cute. And next up we have a spray bottle. I find these really useful for just like putting little bits of like brush cleaner or a bit of water or anything like that, just for spritzing. So cute. Oh, this is like a gachapon in Japan, which I really miss. Every time I go back to Japan, we can spend so much money on those machines, just getting all sorts of cute trinkets. And okay, this is a, all right. It's a Kawaii box themed one, and it's a keychain. Kind of like these sort of keychains. I think they're gonna get dirty really quickly on a backpack, but they're lightweight and easy, whereas some of the keychains I put in my bag, in retrospect, I'm like, why did I put such a heavy keychain on my backpack? Because it's like a huge plushie, but you know, it's cute. And then we got a Ziploc bag, right? It's like a pouch. Yeah, it's a pretty standard pouch. Just very cute and very summery. It is winter in Australia right now, so definitely not very summery, but this would be really cute at maybe storing, it says like Kawaii trinkets, but I'm thinking more like you could even put washi tape if you want to travel with some washi tape, or post-it notes, or any of those stationery items. This would be really cool. And you can still see everything. Like one side is a bit more clearer than the other, but this is really nice. I'm gonna actually keep this and use this for storing my stationery. And these look like little mini envelopes. Really adorable milk envelope. Ah, there we go. Yeah, the different types of envelopes you can get. Let's take a quick look. Okay, so maybe these with like the different designs. I don't know. It's all one design for me. All strawberry milk. I really love it though. It's so cute. And then the last one, probably the best, my favorite, twin star stickers. A little 3D-ish with some gold foiling, but that's okay. I really love this. Anything Sanrio related. And that is everything. I think this is June. Yeah, this is June's Kawaii box. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I am attempting to do blog posts, so a blog post should be following soon. But just follow me on Instagram if you want to know what's happening. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.